Hello students, today I am going to start Laplace transforms. Laplace transforms. The topics you have to study in Laplace transforms are formulas of Laplace, very important. Mostly will get bits on formulas of Laplace only, just orientation type, okay, application type. Formulas of Laplace, then properties of Laplace. You have three different properties, okay. Then you have multiplication by t, multiplication comma division, multiplication comma division by t, okay, this. And you have to see inverse Laplace transform formulas, and properties of inverse Laplace. Mostly properties of inverse Laplace are not that much important, but we will see inverse Laplace formulas, okay. Then you have at last initial and final value theorem, so these are very important, final value theorem. So let us start solving Laplace, okay. Let us start Laplace. What is the definition of Laplace transform? Okay, from this definition only many formulas will derived, but you should remember this formula also. This is very important. What is the Laplace formula is, you will get function of x after evaluating. That is, suppose you have some Laplace of some function is there, you will get result as f of s, and that result is equal to integration 0 to infinity f of t into e raised to pi st dt. This is very important formula. Everybody should remember this formula. Okay, integral 0 to infinity f of t e raised to power minus st dt. Okay, this is very important formula. Then few formulas are, you have 6 different formulas. First formula is Laplace of 1. Okay, you might have done already this thing, so tell me Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. Then Laplace of t raised to pi n, Laplace of t raised to pi n is n factorial by s raised to pi n plus 1, okay, where n should be real number, it should not be any decimal. Real number means 1 2 3 like that, it should not be decimal. Then you have one more in terms of gamma, that is not that much important. Then Laplace of e raised to pi at 1 by s minus a. Laplace of e raised to power minus at, can you tell e raised to power minus at to me? It's also very easy, 1 by here s minus a, if there is plus a, minus a means here s plus a, okay. Then let us see formula number 5. Formula number 5 is Laplace of cos at. Laplace of cos at can be written as s by s square plus a square. Then Laplace of sin at. Laplace of sin at is a by s square plus a square. Seventh one is Laplace of cos hkt. Laplace of cos hkt is s by s square minus a square. Then you have last formula, Laplace of sin hat is a by s square minus a square. H comes means here minus will come. Cos hat s by s square plus a square. If it is hyperbolic, then here there will be minus. Okay, remember like that. Let us see three different properties. Okay, first properties, three different properties. There are many properties, but three are very important in according to gate point of view. So first property is linearity property. Okay, what is linearity property? Is Laplace of some function f of a plus another function g of b can be written as, we can break, okay, that means Laplace of some function plus Laplace of another function, okay, you can write like this. If there is minus, then you can write here minus, that's it. F of a, Laplace of f of a minus Laplace of g of a, that thing you can write, that is linearity property. Then first shifting theorem, very important. First shifting theorem, first shifting property. What is first shifting property is, let's suppose if you have Laplace of e raised to pi at into f of t. If you have like this any function which is multiple of exponential function, then this thing you can write it as f of s minus a. That means first find out Laplace of this function, and wherever s is there keep s minus a. Okay, then one more formula, same, e power minus at f of t can be written as f of s plus a. Okay, wherever s is there, after evaluating function of Laplace function, wherever s is there, there we will keep plus a. If there is e power minus at, if there is plus at, we will keep s minus a. Okay, then last property, that is change of scale property. Okay, change of scale property. What is that? Laplace of f of at can be written as, that means Laplace of some function into at can be written as 1 by a into f of s by a. Okay, that means first what you have to do, you have to evaluate the function, given function. After evaluating, let's suppose if you have f of 2t, they are asking f of 2t, first find Laplace of f of t. Then f of 2t can be written as what, 1 by 2 into f of, wherever s is there you should replace that thing by s by 2. Okay, and let's suppose if you have f of t by a, this is at multiplication. If it is t by a, if it is multiplication you should do division, if it is division you should do multiplication, a into f of as. Hope you are getting all these things. So let us solve few problems. Laplace transform. So first problem, this is asked in GATE civil paper for 2 marks. Okay, what they are saying, if L defines the Laplace transform of function Laplace of sin at, then will be Laplace of sin at will be, as we know what is Laplace of sin at, Laplace of sin at is a by s square plus a square. So that thing I can write it as a by s square plus a square. So which option? Option B is correct. Then second one, Laplace of function sin omega t. This is asked in mechanical paper for 2 marks. Sin omega t, Laplace of sin omega t can be written as what? Here in place of a there is omega, that's it. In place of a there is omega, then omega will come here, omega by s square plus omega square, omega by s square plus omega square, omega by s square plus omega square. Option B is correct. Then let us solve problem number 3. Laplace transform of function. They are saying Laplace of function cos hax. Cos hax function they are saying. So how will you write Laplace of cos hax? Cos hyperbolic ax. Hyperbolic ax. See what is formula for cos hyperbolic ax? S by s square minus a square. So s by s square minus a square, s by s square minus a square. Option B is correct.